Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today, Charlie and I are checking out the Dirtydog 4x4 cargo netting for the 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator JT. Bringing along your friends and family on your next outing is always more fun, and we don't want to forget about our four-legged friends as well. Dirtydog 4x4 developed their cargo netting to give you a safe, confined space for your pet in your Jeep. So whether you're cruising around town or crawling down the trail, especially if you like to run around with the top off of your Jeep, well, there's always a chance that your dog's eye might catch something and they'll go jumping out of your Jeep to chase after it. With the doors installed on your Jeep, of course, and the Dirtydog 4x4 cargo net, you can see how it creates a nice, confined, safe space to keep your dog contained in your vehicle. The Dirtydog 4x4 cargo netting is constructed from heavy-duty, 1.5-inch wide polypropylene webbing that's available in a wide variety of different colors, ranging from dark and muted to the brightest colors in the spectrum, so there's sure to be a perfect net to either complement or accent your Gladiator. The netting features reinforced box stitching as well as black anodized grommets to hold everything together, and it's a simple two-piece design. We've got one net here for the rear seat and a separate net for the front seat, so you can choose to install one or the other or combine both for a total vehicle solution. Not only are they functional, but let's face it, frankly, they just look cool too. They definitely give your Gladiator that race Jeep inspired look with them being attached to your roll bar. Now, speaking of installing the nets on your Jeep, they feature two different configurations to make installation easy without any drilling or modification to your roll bar required. And they do include these series of tabs to be used with the existing fasteners found on your roll bar that hold the plastic trim in place. Now, by using those tabs, we can simply wrap the strap around the outside of the roll bar, through the tab, and then back around the outside of the roll bar. And by doing so, it's going to keep the net secured to the very top of the roll bar, increasing the amount of available headroom, especially here in the back seat. Alternatively, if you've got the Dirtydog 4x4 roll bar covers installed on your Jeep, you'll simply omit the use of those tabs and wrap the straps all the way around the roll bar, securing the net in place, while only losing a very minimal amount of headroom without having to cut into or modify your roll bar covers. The Dirtydog 4x4 nets are designed to be left installed on your roll bars, even when it's time to close your soft top or reinstall your hard top. Now, if you guys want to get more information or to purchase a set of Dirtydog 4x4 nets for your 2020 and newer Jeep Gladiator JT, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you haven't already and you like these videos, do me a huge favor, click that thumbs up button as well as the subscribe button and the notification icon, so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. And as always, if you ever have any questions or comments about the nets or how to get them installed on your Jeep, you can always leave those for me in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you out on the trail. Quadratec.com. Today, Charlie and I are checking out the Dirtydog 4x4. Really? Do you like the cargo nets? Yeah. You can see how it creates a safe, confined space here to keep your pet inside of your Jeep.